It began with silence. Then the heavens screamed, torn open like flesh. Through those wounds poured madness, flame, and shadow. The world of mortals would never be the same. From beyond reason, they came. Shapes without form, voices without mercy, demons born of thought, sin, and dream, walking in flesh. The realms of chaos had awoken, forests blackened, seas boiled, mountains wept fire, men turned upon their kin, beasts upon their makers, reality itself twisted as the veil thinned. The song of creation became a scream. The servants of order stood defiant, warriors, sorcerers, kings. They raised blade and spell against the storm. But each victory was swallowed by corruption. Even the purest hearts began to darken. The Slann and their architects fought to seal the rifts. They wielded powers that shaped suns and worlds. But the tide was endless. Their gates shattered. Their kind vanished from mortal fear and rage, from every cruel thought. The chaos gods were born. Khorne, the god of war and rage. Nurgle, the herald of disease and decay. Slaanesh, the manifestation of pleasure and desire. And Tzeentch, the sorcerer of change and deceit. Their laughter still echoes through eternity. The veil burst. Demons marched. Armies of nightmares swept across the breach. The age of chaos had begun. But will the old world learn to fear the dark? All these questions and many more will be answered in The Tales of the Old World. Subscribe and click the notifications button, and I shall see you in the next tale.